Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna upgrade our Camry bulb from halogen bulb to LED bulb from Auxito, and link will be in the description to where you can get the bulb and also get some percentage off. Get like from 10 to 15% off your purchase. So let's go through the unbox, and then we get to the car. So the box comes wrapped in plastic, so that's good. You won't have no water get into it during storage or during shipping. You never know what might happen. Let's see what this is. So guys, we get two gloves right here. So the gloves look small, but they do fit. Go ahead and put on these two. So it helps you to keep your end clean and also install the bulb without touching sensitive spot. But also we're gonna get our LED right here, and they have a driver for CAN bus free arrow, so you don't have to worry about putting and get any arrow on the dash. You won't have that problem with these bulbs right here. The build quality, you can see it's aluminum, so you can see that's good for like heat transfer, so that's good. So that's what we get in the box. We get these zip ties if you want to make it more tidy in the engine compartment. And we have more O-ring for different seal, and also we have this Allen key. You can adjust. If you remove the O-ring right here, you will see where you can adjust the pattern if it don't line up. But most time, judging from the past product I get from Auxito, they always line up dead on. You just plug and play, you don't really have to do any adjustment. So yep, and this is the 9005. You can see that they mark it right here. So let's get to the car. So guys, we're at the car now. Let's go ahead and install it. So these are the 9005, which is gonna be right here. Just gotta rotate, take out, and this is the LED bulb right here. And once you find the groove, you just once you find the groove like this, you just put it in, put it in like that, twist it, and it lock. And then this, we just need to unplug it, and then we test the output. Alright, so guys, we turn on the light. You can see the difference in the light. This side is really white and bright. So let's go ahead and do the other side. It still have the yellow because I didn't get the bulb for this for the low beam. The low beam, the bulb is out right now, but as soon as I get it in stock, I will put it in and you will have the full setup. So now guys, we have both in. As you can see, we also have the switchback LED for the park light, and also the turn signal at the bottom, so you can see it's looking real nice white. So yep, please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. So in the night, And that's the high beam. And that's without the high beam. So I'm gonna go for a drive and then we go and see how it look on the road. So that's with the high beam, and then that's without high beam. You can see it turn off the high beam. That's without the high beam, and that's with high beam now. You can see there's a big difference.
There's a lot of light around.